What's up, bakers? My name's Noah, I had 8 pepperettes for lunch today, and I like to bake stuff. This is my new table and my new setup. I hope you enjoy the video. Welcome everyone. Today we are making matcha brownies. Pause the video here to see all the ingredients necessary. Let's get started. First, we need some brown butter. Now to get this, obviously, we need to cook down our butter to the point that it starts to get this brown tinge and some very small solids start to form. Once that's done, we can add our matcha powder to the white chocolate, and then in goes our butter. Now we are going to whisk this as it melts to make sure that the matcha powder gets evenly distributed among all of the chocolate. And technically, this is a ganache. Once that's done, we can set it aside. We are going to get another bowl in which we will add our sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, salt, and eggs. And now we're going to mix this for, 4 minutes. We want to get this really well mixed and introduce a decent amount of air into it. Once that's done, we will stream in very slowly while we mix that ganache that we just made. It should be cooled down enough that it's not going to cook the eggs that are in this mixture. And once it's evenly distributed throughout, we are going to sift in our flour, obviously to make sure that no chunks make it in, and to cushion that fall so that we don't deflate our batter. And of course we have to fold this in to also not deflate it. We want it to be kind of fluffy going into the oven with a decent amount of air bubbles in it. And you'll see what we do with them later. Now, once that's done, we need to prep our pan. You can do an 8x8 square pan or a 9-inch diameter pan. Now, of course, I'm using my spring form so that I can open it up and show you guys what it looks like when it's cooked. So we're gonna pour in that batter, spread it evenly, and in the oven it goes for 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So when your brownies are 20 to 25 minutes into their cooking sequence, we're gonna take them out and we will slam them down. And this is going to eliminate a lot of the air bubbles that are still inside of the batter. This will cause it to cook in a more fudge-like brownie state. They'll be more fudgy. And back in the oven they go for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now once it's been removed from the oven and it's fully cooked, we're gonna let it sit for at least 10 minutes before we do anything with this pan, and that's because the brownies are actually still cooking once you take them out. So we're gonna let it cook, do its thing. In about 10 minutes, we'll take it out of the springform pan and actually let it cool a little bit longer before we even cut into it. Look at that. Look how beautiful those look. They smell great. And they look great. Isn't that a gorgeous brownie? I cannot wait to try this. Can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you try this at home, and if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below.